हेलो बच्चों, यहाँ हमें क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, इवन आफ्टर किलिंग दी जनरेटिव सेल्स with a laser beam, the pollen grains of a flowering plant germinates and produce normal pollen tube because. For options, यहाँ हमें दिए हुए हैं ऑप्शन ए लेजर बीम stimulates pollen germinations and pollen tube growth. Option B, the laser beam does not damage the region for which pollen tube emerges. And option C, the contents of killed generative cells permits germinations and pollen tube growth. And option D, the vegetative cell has not been damaged. देखिए, even after killing the generative cell with a laser beam, the pollen grain of a flowering plant germinates and produce normal pollen tube because देखिए during microspore formations, during microspore formation, during microspore formation, cellular differentiations occur and generative and vegetative cells occurs and generative and vegetative cells are formed. Generative and vegetative cells are formed. The generative cells produce two sperm cells. The generative cells produce two sperm cells, whereas the vegetative cells produce the pollen tube, which help to deliver the male gametes to the embryo sac. Therefore, if laser beam kill the generative cells, it will not affect the normal pollen tube formations. Thus, the correct answer is option D. The vegetative cells has not damaged. Option D is the correct answer, and all the best.